Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to Carbonwurks HQ and welcome back to Andy's E92 M3. Some of you will have seen a good lot of this car already, there's a few videos out there. This one involves a part that we've also seen quite a bit of, but not on this particular car. So that's all I'm going to give away. A couple of clues on the boot lid where I've been mocking things up already. I'm sure that will give you guys an idea of what's coming. But that's it, it's development or developmental, so I'm going to be doing this all from scratch, all sort of penciling out, tape everywhere, that sort of thing. So we're going to give you this before, stay tuned for the after and you'll see what's coming. And there we have it, a little over a day later. Right car, wrong spoiler, or right spoiler, wrong car, don't know, you decide. All we can tell you is we think it looks great. We're all really excited to see Andy's reaction when he comes and picks up the car in a little while. All that's left is for me to say enjoy the beer wheel. It looks great. We think it really suits it, helps modernise the car a little bit. And I'm sure a few others of you will probably want this, but for now, Andy's going to be the only one, which is something that he's really chuffed about. So keep an eye out, see if you spot it in the wild even. I know he's going to be taking it to a few shows. Thanks for watching. Join us on the next one. We know this car isn't finished yet. There's definitely going to be more. Like, share, subscribe. See you next time.